Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account on Rithmic. And if you want to do this, we go right here to Rithmic, the trading infrastructure for futures, where we can decide right here if you click on just the site, or we can go back and click right here on demo account. Now, let's say we are right here now on Rithmic and we want to create ourselves an account. Then what we're going to do is we click right here on the free trial for new Rithmic users. And then what we're going to do is we fill in right here all the information from us. Then they're telling us, welcome to Rithmic's R trade execution platform. Now they tell us your Rithmic user ID for Rithmic paper trading system is this email address. Then they're telling us that click next to agree to necessary documentation and activate your free trial. So we will do this from here. No thanks. Then we do right here, no thanks. And then we do I agree. We want a non-professional, I think. Yeah, you can decide for yourself what you want to do. Now, right here, they're telling us by clicking on the button below labeled non-professional and clicking on the button below submit. I certainly think, okay, that's fine. Now you can decide for yourself which one you want to use. I do a non-professional, so we do submit. And then right now they're telling us an email has been sent to tommyflex@outlook.com. Please follow the instructions right there. So we go right now to our email address and we search right here for the mail that they sent us. So then if you go to junk, I found right here my email, and then we can click right here on the link and then we do visit link. And then if you can see right here, thank you for signing up for a free 40-day trial of Rithmic paper trading system and its live market data. Your user ID is this, has been activated. When you log in, be sure to select the Rithmic paper trading as a system you will use. So right now, if you can see, we created ourselves an account on Rithmic. So if you want to log in with that account, make sure that you download from here the Rithmic. And my cam is exactly on the place where you can see that we can download Rithmic. So I will change it real quick right here. So right now, if you can see, we did everything correct. And then if we click right here on download our trader, you can do the setup and then afterwards log in right here to the trader. So this is how you can create right here an account for yourself on Rithmic. If you have any questions, please comment it down below. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.